Good morning, friends. Good morning, juries. We are from SI Group India Limited and delighted to present the case study on Magnum Retailer. Big data. With big data, we plan to do a project on data analytics. Addresses benefits, addresses the future growth, proper understanding of consumer behavior, business strategic benchmarking. Steps to achieve these benefits understand analytical capabilities by using big data, choose the right people for analyzing the results from the big data, benchmark the key improvement areas and design the right strategy for the business growth. Innovations, we did in the innovations, use the tool for market intelligence. Machine-to-machine communications. With Vodafone help us in office in a box for our bookworm and health and home stores. Benefits, seamless communications over 3G network with data and voice, integrate other connected systems with attendance recording, eliminated dedicated connectivity, reduction in recurring expenditures. Steps, understand the system and look at integrating other associated systems, namely attendance recording system. We assume that the transactions per day is much lesser as compared to the departmental and hypermarket stores. Innovations, 3-in-1 benefits, that is voice, data, and people management on a single console without compromising on the service of the levels. Data center transformation. Projects we have taken, data center infrastructure management, DCIM, at head office data center. Benefits, energy conservations and allocations of the precious IT resources, that is power and cooling. Energy management, space saving, remote data center administration and management. Steps to achieve the benefits, auditing the current setup for power consumption and usage, power usage effectiveness, that is PUE, capacity planning and finalizing the bill of material. Innovations, scale up and expand as when business demands. These will help in controlling both CapEx and OpEx. Just hand over to my colleague.
Business service management, the service request management we are going to implement from BMC. This will be a single window for console management for employees, suppliers and customers. The steps would be map the current business processes with BMC software, have a trial run for a month, training to internal employees and tutorial for both suppliers and customers over the web. This can be integrated with the big data to get, do some analysis on the customer enhancement programs. Innovation will be free mobile applications for customers, vendors, and our internal employees. Private cloud technology. We would like to use IT as a service. The benefits would be consolidate all the business critical applications and the ERP systems spread across different geographical locations. Give away the space occupied by IT for business, central administration and management. The steps would be study the existing environment, that is business critical applications and the ERP systems. Capacity planning for hosting applications at a single data center. We assume that all the physical servers can be transformed to virtual servers. Innovation from a decentralized IT-driven innovation to decentralized user-driven innovation. Business productivity and business intelligence. Implement Link Edge for integrating voice, video and application sharing across Magnum stores. The benefit will be, it will help users find the right person to connect with, view their presence and then communicate with them in the most effective way via voice, video or sharing an application of PowerPoint. This will also benefit us during the acquisition as we can train the users using desktop sharing sessions, video calls, reducing the travel time and without compromising the training effectiveness. Collaboration with business intelligent tools like SharePoint and Office applications. Steps would be add a new virtual server, analyze and finalize the licensing requirements, integration with business intelligent tools, training the users. Innovation, maximize employee throughput without wasting time as time is precious than anything else in this world. Enterprise security, we would like to go with Checkpoint's mobile access plate. The benefit would be appropriate authentication and integration with Microsoft Active Directory services, complete firewall, IPS and identity access management, centralized management of threats and alerting. The steps would be identifying security risk, design and implement appropriate policies for firewall, IPS, authentication, etc. Innovation would be getting mobile applications developed by Checkpoint for system administrator to manage and monitor even on the move. These are just the we have presumed everything. It's not, we have not worked out the commercial aspects. So the ROIs and everything can be calculated later on once the board approves these ideas. Thank you very much.
Thank you.